This is a B flat with a D on top. D, C, B flat, then an F on the bottom and an F chord with a C on top, then a G minor with a B flat on top and a G, and back to the F but with an A, then an E flat with a G, then a B flat on the bottom with a D and an F, then a C which is a C minor, and back to the F with an A, back up to the D and start again. D major with an F sharp, to a G minor, C minor, F major with D major, then a G minor again with a B flat, C major with a B flat, F major with a C,